Stacks back with another YouTube video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a voiceover in one of your YouTube videos on Shotcut. So you just want to open it up, then you want to pick what video you want to do a voiceover on. I'm sorry, not this one. Hang on. So you just want to pick the video you want to do the voiceover on, and then you want to go over here to File, go over here to Open File, Open Other, and then you want to go under Devices and click on your audio device and make sure that's all right, and then just click OK. Okay. Now this is where it starts. Recording your audio. Listening to your audio. It's not capturing anything right now yet. You want to go over here to export. Click on that. Click on go down here to search and type in a wave. Okay, now that you clicked on it, you can go over here to capture file. And click on it. And then save it to whatever you want. Anything. Anything. And now it's starting to capture your voice. Now you do whatever you say for your voiceover. So in today's video, I'm showing you how to blah blah blah, and then yeah. So that is how you do a voiceover. And then, you gotta stop capture. Okay, now it's starting to capture your voice. Now you do whatever you say for your voiceover. Right now, so I'm just gonna pause that. Okay, so then you want to go down here, click under, right click, go to track operations, click on add audio track, and then it puts down one right there. Then you can just drag this down right there, and you can mute this, so then there's no sound, just the video is playing, obviously. And then you just, once you're done with that, you can just match up with what parts need to go with the audio. So I can't extend it, but yeah, so then you can just match up where that goes with at the audio, and then you just play. And now it's starting to capture your voice. Now you do whatever. Yep. So then it starts capturing your voice, and then you just go over here to export file, and then you upload your video and stuff. But so that's how you do a voiceover. If you like this video, please just drop a like, subscribe. It only takes 2 seconds out of your time, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.